Hi, my name is Michael Harper and I'm a research student at the University of Southampton. Cities are a vast consumer of energy and the adequate supply of this is vital for their success. In a bid to reduce emissions and also to improve the air quality in cities, many are investing in low carbon technologies. But the focus often is within the city, so looking at solar panels on roofs and retrofitting buildings. However, it's actually estimated that only about 35% of a city's energy supply could be met within the city limits. And therefore it's vital that we look for options outside the city if we are to meet the energy needs of that area. So what my research has been focusing on is looking at wind turbines around cities and trying to find suitable sites for them. Now this is an area which has had a lot of research in the past. But a major issue is that they often don't consider the social aspects of planning. In particular, there can often be a lot of protests against projects, and sites like these are familiar across the UK at any proposal. As a result of such protests, over 60% of projects in the UK are actually refused planning. So as a result, this is a major barrier to development of wind turbines. Through my research, I've been able to identify some key parameters for the success of a wind turbine project. For example, the local age is a key indicator, and at a higher age of the local area, the less likely a project is to be accepted. Another effect also includes the politics. So areas with higher voter share of Liberal Democrats and Labour actually have improved chances of success as well. So what do these findings actually mean? I mean, they might sound quite obvious. Most people kind of think a Conservative voter would be less likely to want wind turbines in their area. Well, actually, my study has been the first to quantify these effects. And in doing that, we can actually now model them and use them to predict sites for future turbines. My work can be used to help identify suitable sites for future wind turbines, such as this. And the idea is that we can not only find the most technically suitable sites, where the wind speed's high or they're close to power lines, but we can also take into account the social constraints, so that we find sites which are suitable for both scales and reduce the social impact of projects. Thank you.